What up everybody, quick video, Lexus RX, no BS, no intros. Let's do this. You'll need 6.5 quarts, 6 quarts, synthetic or not, it's up to you. You'll need an oil filter, you'll need a 14mm socket, you'll need a jack, possibly 2. If you have some shades like this, put them on. Grab some shades, because safety, in my personal opinion, is important. Because I know a guy that a car fell on him, right? The jack fell and the car fell and he lived, but never the same after that incident. Okay, so let's do this. Here we go, intro. I don't have a, what do I do? Zombies. Alright, so on your engine here, you can tell what kind of oil you should put in this vehicle. Okay, this is a Lexus. It requires specific type of oil. They recommend this, but it's up to you. It's always up to you. I use rocks like this for safety purposes, right? And then go right there. Just you don't want your vehicle to roll. And plus, yo, remember, check this out, right? You know, my YouTube money is drying up, so I'm doing my own oil change, but check this out. Before you start doing your own oil, beep this. Wait. Freaking oil change, where is it? Basic. I already bought the oil, but check this out. Basic oil change, $24. Synthetic, $50. There's a difference between synthetic and non-synthetic, right? But to me, it's not much. All right, step 1, 14mm socket. Get your drain pan, and let's do this. There's your drain plug right there. 14mm socket. Here we go. Lefty loose, loosey, righty tighty. Good, come on, you mother. Good, you son of a gun. Dang. As you can see, I gotta use this torque bar because it doesn't want to come off. I finally got it. I usually take this car in to get the oil done, and if they don't like you, they might tighten this real hard, or they cannot change your oil filter. You always got to be careful when you take your car in, because you know the people that work on your car, they don't care about your car basically. Oh, there we go. Or they can, if you ever see them use buckets, sometimes they have buckets and they can possibly add water to it. Trust me, you know, I've been around, and you think they won't. Let your oil drain, right? Then we're gonna start on your oil filter. Real easy. A lot of people make it complicated, but it's so easy to do. Let's do this. Crap, this car has a lot of oil. Now Lexuses have good engines, real good reliable engines, but dang, look at all the oil. 6.5 quarts of oil. That's like a truck type engine. It's a 6-cylinder, beautiful engine. Good design. Lexus they know what they're doing. Put the drain plug back on, nice and tight, snug, not too tight. And then you take your basic socket, pop this in, lefty loosey, righty tighty. There you go. Not hard to do. And then use your hand if you want. Pop it out. Have your pan ready here. Once you take that off, you just pop this sucker open. And boom. You have your seals and you have your little drain thing here. Alright, so we got this. Alright, usually, you know, if you have your oil change done by companies, they don't do this. Screw it on like this and you'll drain the rest of the oil. I got it in my hand. See, that's why I hate changing oil.
First off, I got cut right there. Now I got oil all over me. I got some oil over my driveway too, man. You know, it's cheaper just to take it in. I'm telling you. But find people that are honest, alright? Won't rip you off. Oh, man. Come on, guys. Alright. We're almost done. I found some gloves here. You want to have gloves when changing oil. Then just take it out. Right there, you want to replace that seal. Okay, so I'm going to take the seal, this rubber seal off. There we go. Okay. And then I got the new one ready right here. And then just pop the new one back in like so. And come on, goes easy. Goes in pretty easy. Okay. I got the seal in pretty easy, guys. This isn't complicated. I know it looks complicated, but it's not. And pop this guy back on. All right, we got our filter changed, and we got the oil drained, and now all you got to do is lower the vehicle. Yep, here we go. Boom. All right, here we go. We're finally done. Remember, don't get ripped off. Sometimes, you know what, it's easier just to take your vehicle in and have somebody else do it, because I got 80,000 miles on this car. Okay, I mean, it's time consuming, you know. You need all the tools and stuff, but do it yourself. You can, if you know what you're doing, you can save some money. So up to you. Thanks everyone for watching. This is pretty easy. Look at this beautiful, clean oil going in there. Yeah. This is pretty. Oh, there's a bee. There's a freaking bee. There's a bee. Oh my God. Get away. Oh, thank you, Lord. Hey, thanks everyone for watching. Take care of yourself. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, thumb this video up. If you're my dog. Peace out. God bless.